Question 9. 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power 2 minus x equals to 26. So here is a 5 to the power x plus this one we can write 5 to the power 2 times 5 to the power minus x equals to 26. So against this one 5 to the power x will be unchanged, 5 square means 25, and against 5 to the power minus x, as per negative exponent, it means a to the power minus n means 1 divide a to the power n. So we can also write 1 divide 5 to the power x equals to here 26. Now we need to do something like we can write 5x equals to a. So what will happen? So against 5x we can write a plus here is a 25 divide 5x means a, right, equals to 26. Now we can make LCM a. So here is a square plus 25 equals to 26. Now we can cross multiply. So a square plus 25 equals to 26a. All right. Now here is a square. We can subtract both sides by 26a. So minus 26a plus 25 equals to 0. So now we are going to factorize this one. 25 can be write 25 times 1. It means 26. How? Look. Here is a square minus 25a minus a plus 25 equals to 0. Now we can take common a. So here is a minus 25. Then minus 1 we can take common. So here is a minus 25 equals to 0. Now look, we can take common a minus 25, a minus 25, and here is a minus 1 equals to 0, right? So in here we can do something. First, a minus 25 equals to 0. So either a minus 25 equals to 0. So we can add both sides by 25. So a equals to 25. A means what? A means we already take a means 5 to the power x. So 5 to the power x, and this 25 we can write 5 square. So base are same, x equals to 2. It's a one part. Second part, or a minus 1 equals to 0. Look, here is a minus 25a, another one is a minus 1, right? So we can write a equals to 1. Then 5 to the power x equals to 1. Against 1 we can write 5 to the power 0. So it will be x equals to 0. So we have to answer x equals to either 0 or 2. Okay, very simple. So question 9 done. Now if you want, you can verify which one is exactly correct. So we try to verify our answer. We get to answer, so we need to verify something. So x equals to 0 or 2, which one exactly accurate? So verify left hand side. Here is a 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power 2 minus x. So first we will put 0. So look, 5, here is a 0, and 5 to the power 2 minus 0. So 5 to the power 0 means 1, because we know a to the power 0 is 1. So here when x equals to 0, and look, 5, 2 minus 0 is a 2. So finally 1 plus 5 square means 25, and we get 26. Look, here is a 26. What about 2? If we put left hand side, again we can write this one. Here is a 5 to the power x, then 5 to the power 2 minus x. So x against x we can write 2. So 5 square plus 5 2 minus x equals to 2. So when x equals to 2. Now it's an interesting thing, is a 5 square means 25, and 5 2 minus 2 is a 0. So 5 to the power 0, 25. 5 to the power 0, it means a to the power 0 equals to 1. So 5 to the power 0 also equals to 1. And finally we get 25 plus 1, it's a 26. So the both answer is correct, which is x equals to 0 or 2. So have any question, please write a line in the comment section. Thank you.